Well, Johnny is a joker, a very funny joker. But when he touched my honey, his joking ain't so funny. Johnny is a joker that is trying to steal my baby. He's a bird dog. Johnny sings a love song, sings the sweetest love song. But when he sings to my gal, to me he's just a wolf dog. Johnny wants to fly away, a puppy love my baby. He's a bird dog. Hey bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my runny dog alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chick a little of your own. Johnny kissed a teacher, he took her up to reach her. Well, he's a teacher's pet now. What he wants he can get now. He even made the teacher let him sit next to my baby. He's a bird dog. Hey bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovely dog alone. Hey bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chick a little of your own. Yeah, he's a bird. Might even be a dog. A bird dog.